Okay, so the company Abode just launched a security camera that's about $30. It's called the Abode Cam 2. It is similar to what Wyze Cam released, the Wyze Cam V3, that is very cheap as well. So this is pretty much like a direct competitor to that set. Most people that have been buying the CCTV cameras mostly spend over $100 to buy each camera and all that. So this is a very good way for you to get your home secured, but at a very reduced cost. You get live monitoring with the Abode camera. You also have your cloud storage where it sends the video to, and you can check it and view it whenever you need to view the clips. It has a sensor in it, so it detects motion and even has an alarm to kind of like set off something, like an alarm that maybe you have an intruder or something is wrong. It has all that, similar to what Wyze or Wyze, I can't even pronounce that company's name properly. It's pretty much what they have been doing with their budget cameras. So this company is trying to compete with the brand, and I welcome it because you just can't have one brand that is doing cheap stuff and nobody is emulating that and producing their own stuff. That's the reason why I'm announcing it. It's $30, it's reasonably priced, and most people can actually check it out to see whether it's what they may want to use in their homes. And that is it. Do subscribe to our channel, do like our content, follow us on social media. I'm going to see you guys next time.